You can start and join a meeting in any Teams channel. Once the meeting has finished, any recordings and conversation history from the meeting will also be available to view in that channel. If a meeting has started in a channel, you will see in the canvas a blue rectangle which will include a Join button. Click the Join button. On the next screen, you can decide whether to join the meeting with your camera and microphone on or off, then click Join Now to enter the meeting. Depending on how the meeting has been set up, you may need to wait in a lobby until your lecturer lets you in. If you want to start a meeting in a channel, find the Meet button in the top right of the canvas. Click the button and a meeting window will appear. Type a meeting subject. This will help others identify the meeting, both when joining and after the meeting has finished. Then choose whether you want to start the meeting with your camera on or off. When you're ready, click Meet Now. Your meeting will begin straight away, and others will be able to join it.